Thank you for tuning in to another edition of William Carey Wednesday. On this brief time together, we share the good news of what's going on in the Pine Belt's hometown university, William Carey University, South Mississippi's oldest higher ed institution. We had an incredible record-breaking year this past year. We were ranked #1 in the state for college affordability, meaning that here at William Carey University, a private Christian university, you get more for your money than any other college campus in the state of Mississippi. In addition to that, we're providing free textbooks to our students, which doesn't factor into that. So we're very proud of that. We had a great start to our new school year. We have a record number of students on campus this year, the largest number ever living on our campus at William Carey University. And that means it's great for the university, for campus life, but it also means it's great for all of you in the Pine Belt as they are supporting the economic impact for our entire community. So our efforts to lower tuition, raise scholarships, and give away free textbooks for our undergraduate students has paid off. Our opening of school for the 2024 year will be yet another record-breaking year in our School of Music, our College of Osteopathic Medicine, our College of Health Science, our Physical Education Department, our marching band. Those are just some of the records that we know will fall as school starts this year. So we're thankful to you, all of our supporters, our listeners, our donors, our alumni, and those who care about having a Christian university here in Hattiesburg and in Biloxi, because we could not do this work without your support.